Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about iOS 15.5 beta 2 update on my iPhone XR. As you can see, this is an iPhone XR and I have been using this device for a very long time, and yesterday night I have got iOS 15.5 beta 2 update. So as you can see from the screenshot itself, it came in about 537.5 MB on my iPhone XR, and if you have any device other than iPhone XR, it would be between 500 to 700 MB. In this video we are going to discuss about this update, what and all new comes with this update, whether there is a modem update or not, and what are the changes that you would get to see along with this update on your iPhone. So without further wasting any time, let's get right into the video. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos on my channel, do give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. This gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos for you guys. Now with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first things first, let me go to the settings and let me first go to the general and about section quickly. And if I tap on the software version, as you can see, the software version says iOS 15.5 and the new build number is 19F5057E. Now I had taken a screenshot before updating. Let me see whether I can find that. As you can see, before updating it was on 19F5047E. Now from 47E it has been upgraded to 57E. So generally when the last letter comes around B or A, we get to see the public release, or firstly the RC, that is release candidate, and the public release. So it looks like, you know, the public and the release candidate is way too far as of now. But then again, with this update we don't get to see a new modem firmware. So I've confirmed with other users as well. So people who are using iPhone 12 or 13, even they don't get to see a new modem firmware. So after updating as well, the modem firmware is 4.04.01 on my iPhone XR. Now let me talk about the storage first. Before updating, as you can see, the storage was 20.58 GB, and after updating, let me see, it has been little bit increased. It is 21.6 GB. Now talking about how you can get this update. So the first thing first, you have to keep in mind, so as I showed you before from the screenshot itself, so it is a beta update. So from the screenshot it is very evident that if you are having a phone like iPhone which you are using for your day-to-day purpose and you want to upgrade to iOS 15.5 developers or public beta 2, you won't be able to do that unless and until you install beta profiles. So first you have to install beta profile, then only you would be able to sort of get this kind of update. So that out of the way, what's new with this iOS update? So there is nothing new or major changes is there, because from the screenshot itself it is pretty much evident that this beta version contains bug fixes and improvement. But one thing I would like to definitely mention, if I click on this, you know, weather bar or weather application, as you can see right now I'm in Bangalore. So if I just scroll down, as you can see, there is an option which says report an issue. Earlier it used to be in a slide like open in maps, but right now it, you know, gives you a proper block. If you see, click on see more, if there is any accurate information that you would like to further add, then you can probably go ahead and add in this application. So let me show you, this is my iPhone 12. Let me unlock my iPhone 12. If I go to the weather application of my iPhone 12 which is running on iOS 15.4, so as you can see, report an issue was like this, whether it was in a slide, but here it is having a proper block itself. So as you can see that this was a major change I was able to notice, and apart from that there is no such changes I was actually able to notice within the UI or within the application. Now this iOS 15.5 actually, you know, solves a few of the important issues that people were facing with earlier iOS. This update actually fixes the issue with AirDrop. So earlier there was an issue whether you would like to send any file to your MacBook or other Apple devices, but this issue has been fixed. So right now my other phone is there. So as you can see, once I unlock my phone, it gives me an option to, you know, send this across to my other phones, and already it is sending. So as you can see, it is very quick and very smooth. So people were having issues with AirDrop, sending multiple files to their other Apple devices, or, you know, using the Apple ecosystem properly. So with the help of this update, that has been fixed. Also, I see that people were also complaining about the iPhone storage. So I have checked my iPhone storage section. It opens up pretty quickly, but once you update, it probably take a minute or so to load this page, because there are multiple applications, and not only just it has to load the application, it has to show a proper representation of the storage, how much of storage each and every application is consuming. Now, a more important thing is what? If you scroll down, you have to see how much your iOS and how much your system data is consuming. If I click on iOS, as you can see, so as of now, after upgrading to iOS 15.5 beta 2, it is consuming around 8.91 gigabytes on my iPhone XR, and system data is around 11.53, which actually fluctuates, depends on usage. If you clear out the cache and the browser history on your Safari web browser, this might come down. So apart from that, there are no changes I was able to notice with this update. Now, talking about the performance wise, there is no issue. So I actually also ran the Geekbench 5 score. So let me also show you the Geekbench 5 score. Alright guys, so let me open the Geekbench 5. As you can see, the single core score came in about 1101, and the multi-core score came in about 2651. I know it's little bit less compared to iOS 15.5 beta 1, but just few hours back I have updated iPhone XR. I would give it few days more, and I will see whether the scores are improving or not. And benchmarking scores are not everything, guys. I feel the phone is really fluid and smooth. There is no lag whatsoever. I could see on the UI or opening up any application or closing them, so it is like really fluid and smooth. So there is no as such issues at the moment I am able to see with this iOS 15.5 beta 2 update on my iPhone XR. So this video was all about iOS 15.5 beta 2. Let me know in the comment section whether you have updated to iOS 15.5 beta 2, which iPhone you are using, and if you have an iPhone XR, are you facing any issues with some sort with iOS 15.5 beta 2. So then again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel if you have enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.